Another topic that I know is on everyone's minds, and Ernie, I hope you're ready for this, because what I want to do is I want to go to the secret videos, the really secret videos. You know, a lot of you know that we talked about on the original Unmasked, and we've had updates on it along the way, is the new L7X driver, which is part of the SLO-MO family. And I had an opportunity today. They actually had an L7X 12 in a cabinet, and they were doing some testing on it and some listening tests and things. So I actually ran down with my phone and I shot some quick video of this thing, and I want Ernie to roll that right now, or any second he can get that going. But this is actual footage that I shot down in the lab this afternoon of an L7X 12. And it's just, right now it's playing, I can't remember what song, I think I queued up Bass Mechanic or something like that. And I think this is actually the slow-mo footage that Ernie's playing right now, showing what's going on there. And so here it is. This is an actual L7X driver in the wild being tested. And that, you know, everyone's asking, you know, when's this product going to be available? When are we going to see it? We're all excited. Understand, guys, we really let the cat out of the bag early on this driver because we wanted you to know what we were working on and what we're doing. And this is going to be a fantastic high output, high SPL, big bass subwoofer, and it's coming. It's going to be later in this year. We keep saying third quarter. We're going to look at some updated information and see if we can get a little firmer time we can let you guys know, because I know there's a lot of people asking when's it going to be available. We've had people ask, is there going to be any kind of pre-order? We're considering all that. You know, if we're going to offer a pre-order, we'll definitely want to do something here through the show, because all this information comes to you first, right here on Kicker Unmasked Live Weekly. So keep that in mind. But that is some test footage of the new L7X. We are so close, we can almost taste it. That's the 12. As you know, those are going to be available in a 10, a 12, and a 15 when we launch them initially. And again, our current target, we're looking at third quarter this year, but we're probably going to come back in another week or so and have an update and try to give you some more firm information as far as when that driver is actually going to be available. But it's for real, and it actually works, and it's pretty phenomenal. When I was down there shooting the video this afternoon, there was a whole bunch of people came down the hallway going, "What the heck are you doing?" I'm just, well, I'm just trying to make it work and get some cool video about it.